Hello everybody, today we are going to keep awake a GoPro that wants to sleep. This is a GoPro Hero 2014, model number CHDHA-301. The problem is straightforward. The battery is old and it isn't holding the charge anymore. The solution? Quite easy. We just need to replace the battery. This is an easy project that everybody could try. To do that, we first need to open the back lid and remove the microSD card. Then we need to find a thin and flat tool that we are going to insert between the external housing and the back cover. With a little bit of prying, it will pop off and we'll see the battery. With a plastic tool we need to force it out, because there's glue holding it. Be careful not to puncture it, because a lithium battery can catch fire and explode. We now need to disconnect the small white connector on the right side, and to do that we can just slowly pull the cable. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find an original replacement, so I've bought a third-party battery from Amazon. They are cheap and I hope they will last. As usual, let's double check that the dimensions and the connector of the new battery are the same as the old one. Now let's bring back our GoPro, and we just now need to connect the new battery to the socket. If you need to use a tool like I did to insert the plug, use a plastic one to avoid shorting the battery terminal. After connecting, I've tested it and we can see that the new battery works fine. We now just need to place the battery in its place, and since the glue is still holding, I'm not going to put fresh one on. But if yours is not sticky anymore, you can use a bit of double-sided tape. I've then tucked the cable on the side of the main board, and after that we just need to place the back cover back in its place just by pushing it, and we will hear some clicks. I've also reattached the latch that fell off while I was opening it. We're now finishing this project, so we just need to recharge a new battery and our GoPro will keep its charge. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I invite you to subscribe and leave a like. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week, but in the meantime, remember to keep things alive.